Ciao a tutti, Chef Marc Murphy here. I recently joined my friends over at the Feed in Tuttorosso to show them how I made my Sunday sauce recipe. Sweet Italian sausage, dried porcini mushrooms, and San Marzano style hand-crushed tomatoes from the one and only Tuttorosso. If you're gonna make an Italian sauce and you're gonna make a nice, beautiful Sunday sauce, you need quality. You gotta start with a good tomato. Tuttorosso! Ciao, a presto! Mwah!
Thanks for the intro, Mark. We made this delicious Sunday sauce and started by rehydrating the mushrooms with boiling water. Strain and then reserve for later. Heat a little bit of olive oil and begin to brown your mushrooms and remove and reserve. Then add onions, garlic, and cook until tender. Add the sausage and cook until the fat has rendered and the meat is mostly brown. Return all of the mushrooms to the pot, give it a good stir, and add a can of Tuttorosso San Marzano style hand-crushed tomatoes. They are vine-ripened and perfectly seasoned for the Sunday sauce. Give it another good stir and then let it hang out on a low simmer for about 30 minutes. Before serving, add cream, parmesan, toss with fusilli pasta, and then enjoy.
Ciao a tutti, sono tanto contento che avete fatto un sugo con me oggi. I hope you guys had a great time, guys, making this great Sunday sauce recipe. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget, quality is very important.